Are you looking for the who makes the best flush cut saw? Here we will break down the top 5 who makes the best flush cut saw on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Authentic Japanese Woodworking Flush Cut Trim Saw Flexible Blade. Top 1. Authentic Japanese Woodworking Flush Cut Trim Saw is a flush cutting power saw that is made from a high carbon steel blade. It has the versatility to penetrate tight spaces in which a standard saw cannot reach. Due to its pulling motion, it does not buckle. You can also make delicate shapes, flush dowels, cut trims, and build pegs. It creates clean cuts and reduces sawdust production to a minimum. It is a versatile tool with a lot of options, and in this price range, it is one of the best flush cut saw according to my research. At number 2. Dozuki Z-Saw. Z-Saw claims this is the best-selling saw in Japan, and who are we to argue? Nothing rips like a well-made Dozuki. This one by Z-Saw boasts a tensioned high-carbon steel blade with 26 teeth per inch and a blade thickness of only 0.012 inches. The bamboo-wrapped handle is a dream to handle, and the 9.5-inch 2 to 3/8-inch tall blade won't bend thanks to its rigid back. This saw cuts extremely well and has served its owners in a wide range of tasks. It has just enough flexibility to aid in cutting without the risk of bending off the line. The overall quality is also excellent, making this an excellent Dozuki for beginners. While misuse can cause teeth to wear or break prematurely, there is some evidence that a small percentage of consumers have received theirs refurbished. Be sure to examine the saw thoroughly upon arrival to ensure you've gotten a new one. Also, be aware that this saw isn't good for making blind cuts. At number 3. Hachiemon Japanese Ryoba Pulse Saw Double-Edge Hand Saw. Made using the traditional morotic Japanese method of carving saws, this unit is all you need to make that sharp and clean cut. Vertical lines that are made during this morotic process can be seen on the body of the saw. Saws that are made with such techniques are sharp and even have teeth. This means you need less effort when cutting. With just one pull stroke you will be able to cut through 1.5 inches of wood. Another benefit of morotic saws is that they reduce drag when making cuts. Also, the teeth on this saw are designed to clean out the shavings as you pull out the saw. Get a cleaner working surface with fewer shavings to deal with. This saw too has two kinds of saw teeth on both sides. One side has a ripping blade, and the other has a cross-cutting side. Weighing less than 4 ounces, this is one of the most lightweight saws in the market. With its razor-sharp blades, you won't have to worry about replacements anytime soon. These don't get dull with time as well. At number 4. Japanese Saw 22.5 Hand Flush Cut Ryoba Pulse Saw's flexible double-edged 10-blade impulse hardened steel teeth for woodworking. The Pulse Saw by Hachiemon is made of SK5, with decent toughness, quenched and balanced, more durable, and longer lasting. This Japanese 22 1/23 saw manufactured by Hachiemon has a length of 103 blade and a 12.5-inch ergonomics TPR handle. A robust, durable universal saw for workshop or construction site, ideal for deep cuts both across and with the grain. One side for slicing, the other for cross-cutting. For all general woodwork activities now you only need one saw. It's one of the best flush cut power saw according to the real users. At number 5. Japanese Mini Dozuki Panel Saw. If you're looking for a very high-quality Japanese saw at a low price, you'll love the Japanese Mini Dozuki Panel Saw. It comes with a reinforced spine that will lessen the load on the rest of the blade. Plus, it weighs just 3.84 ounces, or roughly half of what the top 2 picks on our list weigh. Part of that is due to the fact that it only has one blade. That blade is better for crosscuts, though it's of high enough quality that you should be able to do short rip cuts as well. Since it's about half as expensive as the top 2 models on our list, this one is the best value for the money, and it's a tool that will satisfy most people.